All right. The side of your shower, that's where, well, I'm sure you know, but the cracks were right there. It was just in the grout line. So I redid that for you. And I also did this one to match. And then you can see the slip resistant resin. I think you can look right kind of past my hand in this point, and you'll see that it's kind of like an orange peel look. That's all. That's slip resistant resin I put on the bottom for you. And there was moisture under wherever this little area was. I think it was right in here. But anyway, there was moisture under there. I put the dry guard on like I told you I ordered for you. And then I bonded it and all that good stuff. Like I say, sealed everything up. I don't see you having any issue with this whatsoever. And I did the resin all the way, the slip resistant, all the way back to about an inch before you get to the end. And then, like I say, sealed that all up. And it will be ready to use anytime after tomorrow. I would say 5 p.m. just to be safe. Tomorrow at 5 p.m. And then of course I found one area on the wall right here, and I took care of that also for you. And it wasn't nothing but a blemish, but anyway, fixed it. So I'm gonna hand out of the way, and you should be good to go. I'm sorry that you had that problem. If you have any other issues, please let me know. I'll get right back out and get you fixed up. Thank you.